And we're going to take a quick walk around here at the Cabbage Patch. A lot of shops, a lot of stores, a lot of everything, a lot of bikes. The Cabbage Patch Wrestling is going on. You can see the bikers are coming in, lining up. This is Party Haven, just south of the Indy Speedway, or shall I say Daytona Speedway. But they got thousands of motorcycles here, everybody. Anything and everything. Cabbage Wrestling is wrapping up over in the tent there. Every shape, model, color. Love the lagger shifter on this one. The Yellowbird 2. The Rocket. Got a great Indian chief on this side here, everybody. Check out the chief. Beautiful looking motorcycle. Harleys, suicide shifters, ninjas. One after another. Trikes, two wheels, one wheelers. We got them all. Take a little walk down here, check them out, everybody. And come on down and join us at the Cabbage Patch, everyone. Motorcycles and poker adventures. And we're going to wrap it up with this serious looking trike. Serious.